I need to do my hair, but I need to do it fast. So I'm not going to be talking through this. I'm just going to speed through it. I'm going to flat iron my hair first with my Beybless flat irons. Then I'm going to spiral curl it using my T3 wand. And this is the interchangeable one. So I have 3 different ones. But I'm going to use the one that tapers and do some cute curls for the girls. I'm going to be chewing my gum. I'm going to be watching HBO now. So I'm not going to be talking. Warning, this gum chewing might get a little dangerous looking. But you guys won't have to hear it. Some brows. I'm gonna clean them up with some concealer. Beyonce doesn't really wear a very structured brow. She really never has. Her brows are always like just super undefined, wispy, like flower child-ish. I like the structure of a brow. So blam, that's on there. I'm gonna do a little dot, some shape tape, just because it's so sticky. It really helps eyeshadows adhere to it. So let's just blend that out. This is the Marc Jacobs, the Conceal brush. I love this brush just for blending out around the eye area. I'm going to take this Viseart Warm Mattes palette. I'm just going to take a few of these shades, maybe this one and this one, and blend it out for my transition color. And blend this above the crease. I want to do a blue eye. Not sure where I'm going to go with it, but we'll see. Random. Do y'all like the City Girls? I kind of love them. Their music is a little vulgar, but they're fun. I'm going to go in with this color right underneath it, just for a little bit of extra definition. Blend in my eyeshadow for Blue Ivy, just in case she's there. So I'll be her makeup artist. No, Beyonce's already spoken for. But Blue, she's not. Fair game. I just dab like 2 seconds into that orange right there, just to kind of reblend her. She's cute. I actually am going to go in with my Natasha Denona 28 palette. I believe this one is called the Blue Purple palette. I'm going to go in with my MAC 221. I'm going to take navy. I've used it before, just never on my channel. But I'm going to take this color right on the very outer corner. Oh my God, this is so intense. Come in playing if you want to. Natasha's not. Try to lightly apply this on the outer corner. Let me move this hair out of the way. So right on the outer corner of the lid. Yes. It's so intense and just inky. I love how much depth this blue has. I'm going to go back with my original blending brush just to make sure that that edge is blown out. So we don't have any unblended eyeshadow. Okay. I took that a little bit further on the lid than I intended to, but that's okay. Just make sure that it's blended. I'm going to go in with petroleum blue. I'm going to just go straight in. Why did I do that? With some Fix Plus. I sprayed it over the entire palette. Why? Yes. Ooh, yes. I love it. So I'm just going to take this all across the lid, not on the inner corner. Make sure you tap it next to navy to blend it. I love blue. I actually think that this is honestly my favorite color. My favorite colors have switched over the years, honestly. I go back and forth between everything. But growing up, like blue would just be it for me. A lot of times I pick purple, but I also really like blue and I like green. I don't know, it's just what I'm drawn to. I'm going back with navy just to make sure that that's blended as seamlessly as I can. Of all of Natasha Denona's pieces for the most part. But these original 28 pan eyeshadow palettes, I mean, it's just something about them. I got fallout, so I'm going to clean. Clean fallout. I'm going to go with Old Faithful Double Wear. I put on this Too Faced primer and I spot conceal with this Too Faced concealer. Add on some foundation to give me that clean face. I'm going with this little brush so I want to hit every little area. Make sure every nook has this foundation. Go in and blend it out. Go back in with my concealer. And blend it out, honey. Let me make sure I'm not messing up that good inner corner. So I'm gonna blend this with my brush a little bit. Camera died. Has to get the extra battery. Got that concealer blended. Now she must be set. Gonna set all over. So I'm gonna go back with my eyes. I have a Wayne Guy 07 brush. I'm gonna take Chromatic. I need that pop of yellow. I'm gonna go in with the Lemonade palette and Lemon Soda. Very carefully apply that at the bottom. Go back with navy. I'm gonna go in with Marc Jacobs Out of the Blue. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner on the top. This brand's called Ikon Lashes. They sent me some of their lashes. One of the styles is called Drunken Love, so I've been saving these to wear these to the Beyonce concert. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue them up and let them sit over and dry and be ready for me to apply. So in the meantime, I need to do some bronzer. I'm gonna do MAC Give Me Sun. I just pulled it out. I'm in the mood for it. And I've been using it ever since. This is probably the messiest my makeup table has ever been. This is the Give Me Glow Halo Highlight. I'm gonna go in with this. Just because I'm obsessed with this. Literally obsessed. This highlight just gives so much. Chanel Blush. Evening Beige. Eyebrow Gel. Time for a Bare. Need my gum to keep me sane. I'm about to go through all my clothes and I'll be back. Whew. That's how you know you rushing when you can't even finish out your video. Yes. So I finally got it all together. It took me until I'm halfway there. I had to like beg my boyfriend to drive. He was like, I don't want to drive. I still had stuff to do. I'm passenger seat pimping right now. So my eye, of course, is tearing up. One thing, my look is cute. I hope I get to take a picture before it gets dark outside. So I feel like I put so much effort into this look. I need to capture it. So when I get there, I don't think I'm gonna take my camera in just because I don't think cameras are allowed, but I will have my phone. I think that they should just get over the whole camera thing. I see people vlog and stuff with the concerts, but I always am so nervous to do that. I'm so excited.
Out shopping in the middle, taking selfie. Hey, when Beyonce, I'll make you famous. Hey, you seen the crowd going?
The concert was amazing. My makeup still looks good, but my voice is gone. We're leaving after concert. Hair is flat. Personality is flat. Like, it is 3:10 in the morning. I am just now getting home. Tonight was amazing. The concert was amazing. I went primarily for Beyonce because I am a Beyonce fan. I'm the original Beehive. I've been a Beyonce fan since I was 5 years old. That's who I went for. But honestly, Jay-Z turned that concert out. Like, he got it so hyped. I was so pleasantly surprised by him because I really wasn't going to see Jay-Z, but turns out Jay-Z was like the life of the party, so I was here for it. But I got some tour merch. I got this shirt. Oh, can you see? With the crest on it. And then whenever there's a tour book, I always like to get these because I collect them. B? That's Bday B right there. Like, I bought her last tour book at the Mrs. Carter World Tour. She did not have one at the Lemonade Tour. Y'all know this is a stadium tour, and you know stadiums are so funny with what bags you can bring in, what you can bring in, so they didn't have bags. So all night I was like trying to guard my book, make sure nobody stepped on it. But it got a little messed up. It's not pristine, but that's all right. But I guess y'all are tired of hearing me talk about this book, but I look crazy. I look a mess. Y'all let me know if you like videos like this where basically it's kind of chaotic. But this is my honest to God like process of getting ready to go. I'm always rushing to leave. I never get ready peacefully, honestly, because I always, especially if I have the entire day to get ready, it always takes me the whole time to get ready. Like, I'm not gonna be ready and just be having time to finish doing stuff. No, I'm gonna take every single second that I have and utilize it, and then still be like either right on time or late. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So I do not feel like washing it and doing all that again. I hate, oh my god. I don't like putting heat on my hair that much. As you guys know, I wear buns a lot. So I don't know what I'm going to do to it. I'm probably going to put it in a bun. I don't know. All I know is time to go. Let me know if you guys are going to go to the On The Run 2 tour. Because the tour is lit. Like, they did their thing. Let me take this off. Even though I probably have a dent. I'm going to go ahead and go and wash my face off. And I'll talk to y'all later. Smooches. Bye.